Good morning, learners. Welcome to today's lesson. We are going to talk about use of auxiliaries plus adverbs of frequency. And we are going to talk about auxiliaries. Auxiliaries is a helping verb. This is a helping verb. Example of this helping verb, you can say can, is, are, should, has. We also have, we said about are. We have others, we have are, had, have. There are very many auxiliary verbs. These are just examples of those auxiliary verbs. Then we talk about adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency. We talked about them earlier. We have rarely, seldom, never, sometimes, frequently. These are just examples of adverbs of frequency. Something happening every now and then. Something that happens. Maybe we can say she comes home rarely. We also have always. She comes home rarely, or she usually comes home always, meaning at times when you say rarely, she does not come. When you say always, she usually comes every now and then. So these are just examples of adverbs of frequency, and we had already talked about these adverbs of frequency. We are just going to add these auxiliaries plus these auxiliaries, which are the helping verb, plus adverbs of frequency, which are these are just some. They are not all of them, but just some. I'll give you a sentence. We are going to see this example: auxiliaries plus adverbs of frequency in a sentence. And here is the example: Joy has rarely completed her homework. Joy has rarely completed her homework. We are talking about Joy, who is one. Joy is one person. That is why we are using has. Rarely, meaning does not always complete her homework. Rarely meaning does not complete her homework. So we are first starting with the helping verb here. This is a helping verb. We start with the helping verb plus this adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. This is the adverb of frequency. So we are just adding a noun plus a helping verb, then adverb of frequency, then we complete our sentence. We are going to look at another sentence. Pupils had frequently. Pupils had frequently gone to museum. Here, my adverb, my helping verb, an auxiliary is had, meaning they used to go frequently. Here, meaning they go to the museum now and then, frequently, very many times. So this is in the past. Pupils had frequently. It's not something that is happening now. It happened. They did go to the museum frequently, meaning every now and then. So these are just examples of the helping verb plus auxiliary. So I'll give you another example. Punctuation marks dash sometimes used differently. Punctuation marks dash sometimes used differently. We want to complete our sentence here. We want to complete our sentence. We have sometimes is a frequency, adverb of frequency. Sometimes it's an adverb of frequency. So what we are looking at is the helping verb. What we are looking at here, what we need is a helping verb. Punctuation marks dash sometimes. Sometimes is an adverb of frequency. So we have to fill in the gaps here. So we can say punctuation marks are, because it's marks here, punctuation marks are sometimes used frequently. So we have completed our sentence here using a helping verb. So in the next exercise, we'll be choosing between which punctuation mark should be used. So you have to understand the sentence first, whether the sentence is in plural form, or singular, plural or singular. That is the first thing that you should know when you are choosing about a helping verb, or whether the sentence is in past tense, past or present tense. That is what we should be looking at when you are looking at the helping verb. So I'll be sending the exercise to you as I send the video. Have a nice day.